Have you ever imagined turning simple text into a professional quality video without touching a timeline, dragging files, or learning a single editing software? No, this isn't clickbait, it's real, and it's called Pictory AI. In this video, I'll walk you through how I turned a boring block of text into an engaging, captioned, voiceover-driven video in less time than it takes to cook noodles. But that's not all. Stick around till the end, because what you're about to see is not just a tutorial, it's a glimpse into the future of content creation. What is Pictory AI? Pictory AI is an online video creation platform powered entirely by artificial intelligence. You don't need editing skills, expensive software, or a team. Just bring your words. Paste in a script, select a theme, and Pictory does the rest. It pulls in stock videos, adds AI-generated voiceovers, syncs subtitles, and even formats your video for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or anywhere else. Whether you're a YouTuber, digital marketer, teacher, or someone with a message to share, Pictory removes the friction and gets you straight to the story. Let's dive into its most powerful feature, script to video. Once you sign up, you'll see 4 options. Choose script to video. All you need is your script. I used ChatGPT to generate a sample script and pasted it in. Immediately, Pictory broke it into scenes. Every sentence became a visual moment. Then you pick a template. Each template has its own style for captions and animations. After that, choose your aspect ratio, horizontal for YouTube, vertical for Reels or TikTok, or square for Instagram. I hit proceed, and within seconds, Pictory matched my words with stunning visuals from Storyblock's massive media library. I didn't drag a single file. I just pasted text. The result? A ready-to-watch video that felt like it took hours to make. Next, I discovered Pictory's real magic, highlighting and editing. When you paste your script, it automatically highlights keywords in bold. You can adjust this manually if needed. There's also built-in spell check. Then comes voiceover. Pictory offers a wide range of AI voices: male, female, British, American, Indian, even emotional tones. Select one, and your script is read out loud, synchronized with visuals. What if you want to make changes? Easy. Just double-click any text and edit. Pictory updates everything in real time, including the voiceover. It feels like editing a Word document that talks back. Visual customization. Now let's talk visuals. If Pictory picks a video you don't like, change it with one click. Head to the Visuals tab, search for a better clip, and replace it instantly. You can also choose from millions of images, icons, and GIFs. Want to add your own branding, upload logos, apply consistent fonts, and pick custom colors? Even better, you can change the video format anytime. Switch from horizontal to vertical to square. Pictory automatically adjusts the design and layout so nothing gets cut off. This is especially useful for repurposing the same content across platforms. Music, elements, and styles. Pictory also adds background music automatically, but you can choose your own from hundreds of tracks. Filter by mood, genre, or tempo. You can also add elements like stickers, emojis, or animated GIFs. Just click and place them in your scene. The Styles tab lets you change caption fonts and animations. Think of it like picking a theme for your entire video. You can preview styles before applying them and customize them further. Combined, these tools give you full creative control without needing a timeline or editing software. Here's the part that blew my mind. Video editing by text. You upload a raw video file, say a screen recording or vlog. Pictory automatically transcribes the speech. Now you can delete parts of the transcript, and it deletes the video segments too. You don't touch the timeline, just edit the words. You can also remove silences or filler words like or with a single click. This alone saved me 4 minutes on a 17-minute video. And yes, captions are auto-generated too. Pictory isn't just a tool, it's a bridge between ideas and impact. You don't need a big team, budget, or editing experience. With just a story and a few clicks, you can create videos that inspire, educate, or entertain. Whether you're a teacher explaining a concept, a business owner marketing your brand, or a content creator looking to scale, Pictory gives you the superpower of storytelling. The link to Pictory is in the description. Try the free version, no strings attached. And if you're serious about content creation, check out my full Pictory course linked below. It's packed with templates, real-world workflows, and expert tips. Like, subscribe, and comment. What will you create when editing is no longer your obstacle? Let's build the future of video together.